Good afternoon, everybody. I am Nilesh Mandlecha. I am psychologist by profession and I have done my MBA in HR. I conduct programs for Indian Army, Indian Navy and Mumbai Police. I have taken programs on more than 10 TV news channels, live and recorded programs. I am visiting faculty for Wellinger Management Institute from last 15 years. I have conducted programs for more than 60 different companies for management and non-management people. I conduct program for trade unions across all political parties, Shiv Sena, BJP, Communist and Congress. I have conducted program in hospitals like Tata Cancer Hospital, Sion, KEM, and from last 15 years, I am practicing as a psychologist. Welcome for this talk on understanding social psychology. So first, I will hand over to my work partner, Pradnya Mandlecha. She has done her MBA in marketing and she is B Pharmacy.
Well, topic of understanding social psychology is very, very interesting. Yeah, and interesting because many of the questions are there in our mind, and probably that will help us to understand those questions. Some of the questions are: what is that shapes our attitudes? Why are some people are such a great leaders? How does prejudice develop and how can we overcome it? How group behave? Social perception, what is non-verbal behavior? What is conformity? Why some people shows the aggression and once some group shows the prejudice? These and many more questions hovering around our head. Probably we get these are the few questions, big questions, and which can be interest in the field of social psychology. So let us understand what is social psychology all about. We are going to cover up certain things, that is what do you mean by social psychology by definition per se. If we see a social psychology, psychology means it analyzes the nature of humans, and sociology analyzes the nature of society, and when we say a social psychology analyzes the nature and the relation of a man to the society.
So some part is from psychology and some part is from
sociology. The sphere of social psychology, if you see, its a focus is, however, the sphere is social, but the impact is happening on the individual.
It is the study of individual in social situation.
Now when we say the social situation, this social situation will be a person to person, person to group or group to group interaction. This particular study how we perceive people and social events, number one, and second, social influence. How do we influence others? How we get influenced by social influences, and of course a communication and group dynamics. So it studies the overall person to person, person to group and group to group interaction. When we say social influence, how does it impact on the individual one? Individual makes real changes to their feelings and behaviors as a result of interaction with others who are perceived to be similar, desirable or expert. So we try to correlate with each other and get our behaviors change because of the similar personality, because of the desired personality, or because of if we think somebody is expert and we get influenced by that expertise. 5 areas of social influence. How people get influenced and from whom people get influenced. And which are those 5 areas? 1. Minority influence in group setting. 2. Research persuasion. 3. Dynamic social impact theory. 4. A structural approach to social influence and social influence in expectation states theory. Let us see one by one. What do you mean by minority influence? These are the minority people, say for example teachers, say for example politicians. They are the one who influences the majority of media. So people conform to minorities because they think they are right and they have all the information. Experiment has been done to prove the minority influence by one particular psychologist and scientist, where all the participants work in a group of 4 on a creativity task. Okay, all the 4 people have given the creativity task and they have given one particular puzzle. Say for this example, this particular puzzle TDGTO, and they ask that like which particular word come to your mind the moment you see this kind of a word. Okay.
Or if you see this word, what word comes in your mind? These 6 words, if you see 6 words. Yeah.
So now here it is, when they are being asked, and as per the experimental criteria, they have given the false certain feedback to the participant. What they said, that majority of the people they have said dog, but one person had said God. Yeah, but one person had said God. Yeah. So now here it is, what has happened, unusual response was God and common response was dog. So here it is, minority has become who has given the unusual response. Now here 2 sets of people, they have asked to do continuously such kind of a puzzles. So people who thought, who has given the unusual response, and people who got motivated from such people, they try to show more novelty and more creativity while solving the rest of the set of puzzles. So that you can see the minority response, and through this experiment they have proven yes, minority influences person. Okay. So this is just I have taken through this. Second, research on persuasion. Next, let us see this research on persuasion. In this particular method, person changes in attitudes or belief based on the information received from others. Now this information focuses on written or spoken messages sent from authentic sources. People believe certain authentic sources are there, that means these are, and they changes their beliefs and their behavior. 2 types of theories are based on the persuasion, that is the elaboration likelihood model, and second is heuristic systemic models. Elaboration likelihood model, here it is, mostly this kind of a method is used in a therapeutic and counseling settings. Okay, that means the as name suggests, elaboration likelihood model. Okay, so say for example, here it states that the amount and the nature of thinking that person does about a message will affect the kind of a persuasion that the message will produce. In case of say smoking is injurious to health, so it elaborates likelihood that like this would be injurious to health, and people perceive that and probably they might change their belief or behavior about one particular act. In case of this particular model, here it is more systemic model propose that argument strength will be most effective in persuading an individual. Okay, when the target individual is not motivated or is unable to attain carefully, persuasion will take the place through more indirect means, the heuristic route such as non-verbal cues or source of credibility. By showing some credibility or show sources, authentic sources, if it is they are not motivated because of certain messages or because of like certain instruction, then they go for systemic or more argumentary. See these are the documentary evidences are available. Are you ready to change your beliefs? Are you ready to change your behavior? Like that it is. So it goes in the more argumentary one. Coming to social impact theory. Now social impact theory means any of the number of changes that might occur in an individual, like physiological change, cognitive change, emotional or behavioral, and these are the changes happens when there is a presence of action of others who are real, imagined or implied. Influencing factor social impact theory, it proposes that the impact of any information source is a function of 3 factors. First, the number of others who make up that source. Who are the people who have made this information? Second, the immediacy, that is how closeness and the strength of the relation and salience of power. If these 3 factors are there, probably there is change or influence as a social influence. Third, it is structural approach to social influence. Now here it is social influence network theory. It's also been called as a network theory, and it is the combination of psychologist and mathematician. In this particular, what they do it, like suppose if it is in a group of people, it's a combination of psychology as well as it's a mathematician. So in a group of people, if they are arguing on particular aspects, what they do it, fine, how many people are agreeing to this, how many people are not agreeing to it, so they average it, they form a norm. Once the norm is formed, then again it set the form for the group and then go on for the task completion. So that's the way it takes place. That is the taking the averaging the approvals of a people and then they go for it. Okay. So this is one is social network theory, which is a combination of psychology as well as mathematics. Coming to last, social influence in expectation states theory. Interesting. Which found inequalities in the amount of influence group members had over one another. Say here in case of like this particular state, at the beginning there is no as such a hierarchy. All the participants are the same as far as the status is concerned. But in a group, towards the end, some or the other person becomes the influencing to the group. Okay. Then at the towards end, it sets the hierarchy in the group. So that is nothing but the expectation states theory. It says that some members would end up being more influential than that of the others. The group would develop a hierarchy based on the behavior of the group members. Group members develop expectation about the future task performance of all group members, including themselves. Okay, so based on their guide, based on their interaction, they set the expectation, and once the group have their highest expectation, it is said that group which decides the highest expectations from each of the group members based on the hierarchy, based on the allocation of the task within a group, okay, probably that group is more successful. That's what it's been mentioned over here as per state of theory. Now there are three areas of social influence. One is conformity, second is compliance, and third is obedience. Interesting part as far as the social influence is concerned, conformity, how you behave to be more like others is nothing but conformity. Here it is, we change our beliefs and values to be like our peers and admire superiors. So we transform ourselves just like others, and why we do that? Okay, that we will try to understand in section of conformity.
Do you mean blindly?
Blindly,
Because of the position or because of the
that there are several reasons why we conform. Okay, there could be because of the age, there could be because of the attractiveness, there could be because of the authority, there could be because of the age. There are several things. So let us see that. Here it is, to prove a conformity. There is one very important experiment has been done, that is Solomon Asch experiment. There are 7 participants in a small room experiment while doing it. One is a real participant and others are actually associates of the experimenters, and rest of the all 6 guys have given a proper script what you are supposed to say in this particular experiment. So one person is a real and all other subjects are just associates of experimenters. Now what they do it, experimenter informs everyone that this is the visual perception test. Okay, so we are going to check your visual perception. There are 2 cards placed, contains one vertical line and the others are 3 sets, and these cards on the right displays that the 3 lines of a varying length. Now what here they have done it, experimenter asked one at a time to choose which of the 3 lines on the right card matches the length of the line on the left card. Everybody has to answer in loud. What they have done it, कि सबको उसका जवाब देना है कि which line is matching with the left side card, right? Real participant is placed last in a row to answer. Okay, and all those rest of the 6 peoples are the associates or experimenters. They are scripted very well.
Yeah.
The way this is going to behave, 6 guys, the impact will be on the 7th one and the real one, and that's the way we try to change our beliefs and behavior because of the peer pressure, and that is nothing but conformity.
So this you have to. They have asked to which one is similar in this particular.
No, nothing. I had answers. Nothing. All are different. That's what I feel. All the 4 lines are different.
Yeah, but they have done the permutation, commutation every time. They have not kept the selected.
I might be wrong. I'm just saying, observing. Every line is.
Yeah, but this particular card, they kept on changing and they kept on asking which one is matching now, which one is matching now, which one is matching now, and several experiments have been done, and sometimes these 6 people gave the correct answers. So the 7th person, he believed that okay, fine, now all the groups are saying yes, 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 and suddenly one of the 2 of the person, if they are saying no, this is not matching, this is incorrect, and that is also loudly, so it will impact on the last person. Okay,
What's the right answer?
it's not the question of right answer or not, this is just a influencing a person. It's a process.
Process of influence.
So the task is repeated several times with the different cards. Okay, on some occasions the other associates unanimously choose the wrong line. It is clear to real participant that they are wrong, but still he chosen the wrong answer and gone with the group. So this is again, it is proved that like conform and peer pressure. Why do we conform?
Simple example.
Like what is happening in mass.
Yeah. Now ये मेरे हाथ में क्या है?
Glass.
ग्लास ही है ना? अभी क्या है?
कुछ नहीं हवा है.
मुझे तो ग्लास दिखाई दे रहा है. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है?
नहीं.
अगर आपके मन में पाप होगा तो फिर दिखाई देगा. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? आपकी सच्ची श्रद्धा होगी तो दिखाई देगा. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है? आपको गुरु करने की जरूरत है. So where this social influence theory is used. इन मुंबई में क्या हुआ था कि माहिम के समुद्र का पानी मीठा हो गया, ऐसे मीठा रही थी, राइट? और देन और पीपल वेर मूविंग देयर, और मीडिया भी गया. अभी बीएमसी को वार्निंग देना पड़ा कि ये गंदा पानी है, पियो मत, यू विल फॉल सिक. और मीडिया के सामने लोग वो पानी पी रहे हैं और मीडिया पूछ रहा है कैसा लग रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है? हाँ मीठा लग रहा है, मीठा लग रहा है. अगर मीठा नहीं लग रहा है ऐसा बोलेंगे तो उसकी बाबा मखदूम के ऊपर भक्ति नहीं है, क्योंकि बाबा मखदूम का दरगाह वहाँ पर ही है. So I have seen people, काफी गॉडमैन्स के भक्त जो है वो कहते हैं कि हम करके कांच में देखते हैं ना तो कांच में बाबा दिखता है, या ऐसा हाथ करते हैं तो दिखता है, तो हाथ में दिखता है. या you must have seen like this theory is widely used. कभी आपको ऐसा फोन आता है क्या कि आपको मतलब फ्री गिफ्ट करके आया है? So social influence theories are used in those. और फिर क्या होता है, देन वो फ्री गिफ्ट देने के पहले 2 घंटा लेक्चर देके they convince you.
And what they will do, the bail, they will ring the bail. He has agreed. So naturally you have to
Agree, yes. So that is a pressure, peer pressure, yes.
It comes on the phone. मोबाइल के पास आता है.
Absolutely.
फिर बोलता है कि your gift is ready, but please pay the courier charges.
And those courier charges will be like, it's highly
that is where it comes.
So sometimes network marketing में भी use होता है to influence. 10 करो and then people get influenced. So Tukaram said 350 years back, सत्य असत्याशी मन केले वाही, मानीले नाही बहुमता. सत्य क्या है, असत्य क्या है? If you are convinced, then even if बहुमत तुम्हारे खिलाफ है तो you don't follow that. What your inner heart is telling that you follow. And Bertrand Russell said, even if 50 million people say foolish thing, still it is a foolish thing. So that's where the influence. You can continue.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
So now coming to why do we conform? There are certain things, that is situational factors, informational social influence, and third is normative social influence. Let us see one by one what are these things. Situational factors found to increase the conformity, that is because of the attractiveness of other member in a group, you tend to conform or change your belief or behavior. Complexity or difficulty of the task is so difficult, we don't know, understand. Now how can I say that I do not know, better I follow the next person. Okay. Group cohesiveness, people conform more. If friendship is there and everybody is saying yes, 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 I will tend to say yes. Okay. Informational social influence, why people conform for this particular thing. In this, what happens? In this particular, as per this theory, going along with the group because you think they know more than you do. As you can see, here it is, image is there, like everybody is following, you do not know all what happening to the, like, you know, who are front riders, but still people follow them, you know. They forms the social, and most of the times it happens.
We think it is right.
Sometimes some godmans, you know,
हाँ, God
गवर्नमेंट्स ऑल्सो, अगर आप कुछ उनको एकदम बहुत ही लॉजिकल सवाल पूछोगे वो बोलेगा आपका स्टडी नहीं है अभी आपकी उतनी आध्यात्मिक प्रगति नहीं हुई है
तो आप लोग चुप बैठते हैं.
The one experiment has been done to prove this particular theory also. What is that theory? What is that experiment? This is informational social influence theory. Participants were placed in a dark room. Okay, they have asked to stare at one particular dark point. Okay, then here it is. Okay, it's a dark room and one spot is there, and they have asked to stare that particular point. Now, and they have been asked a question. Can you see there is a movement in the dark point? Okay, one by one, and the answer has to be given in a loud. So again the pressure, and the trick was there was no movement in the dark point. But just because the confederate said, yes, there is a movement, there is a movement, there is a movement, and because of that again information has been given, and because of that influence people tend to conform.
Yeah,
Okay.
This happens in many times healing.
Yeah.
Yes,
Correct.
correct.
Some healer is there,
Yes.
2-3 participants. बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. Next people will say very बढ़िया.
That's why Kabir said, you know, आचारी सब जग मिला, विचारी मिला न कोई. आचारी means follower.
Yeah.
भक्त. आचारी सब जग मिला, विचारी मिला न कोई. अच्छा, कोटि आचारी खोजिए, एक विचारी होए.
अरे वाह.
That means Kabir is trying to tell you कि वो आप thinking करो अपना. Don't follow blindly things. You know.
Well, that is you're all rounder, huh? You can speak Marathi slogans, Hindi slogans, Urdu slogans. You are amazing.
Yeah. So we are through with this particular experiment. This was a simulation for how social norms develop in a society, providing a common frame of reference for people. Once this kind of a frame is developed, that becomes a society norms. Now coming to a normative social influence. In this particular influence, going along with the group, but here motto is that they must like me or accept me. If I say no, group will not accept me, group will not like me. So let me be a part of the group and say yes to the whatever theory they are stating. Okay.
और follow them. I will tell you one story. एक रानी थी, वो मंदिर में गई, मंदिर में पूजा कर रही थी. पूजा करते करते उसको पीठ को खुजली आई, तो हाथ में तो थाली है, वो क्या करेगी. मंदिर में खंबा था, खंबे को अपनी पीठ को ये किया, उसकी जो ईचिंग थी वो गई. उसकी फ्रेंड्स ने भी देखा, उन्होंने भी उधर. And whoever is putting there, you know.
So it became a ritual.
That has become a ritual now. That is a society now.
Same like if you go to Shankar temple now, everybody will go to Nandi का इसमें है वो.
गणपति के इधर और मंदिर में अपना फ्यू के वो कान के ऊपर 2 उंगली
Correct. Yeah.
Yeah, everybody they will do it.
Everybody,
In some temples you'll find it. People throw coins and that becomes a ritual. मेरा चिपक गया तो like I'll be मिगमला के नहीं.
In a Titwala it is going.
Yeah.
Behind the
One
temple.
person, in temple used to do. His son, asked, why you are doing this? That keep quiet, don't ask question. But again, so he said, मुझे भी नहीं मालूम, मेरे पिताजी करते थे.
So again there's one experiment to prove this particular thing, that here it is like on the slide they have shown the two slides, okay, and this kind of a slides they kept it like for 5 seconds initially, and then like 1 second, 2 times this kind of a experiment they have done it, and when what they have to do it, they have to identify which person is exactly matching to the group of people. तो ये आदमी किनके जैसा दिख रहा है, okay, and they did it several times and they did it twice. पहले तो 5 सेकंड के लिए रखा, फिर बाद में 1 सेकंड के लिए रखा, and what they found it towards end, what is the result? Low motivation group confirmed 33% of the time. People group who were low motivated, to answer these questions. So they confirmed 33% of the times, and the high motivation group confirmed less than 16%. इससे कुछ मतलब तो होने वाला नहीं है, किसी को हार्म भी नहीं है, कैजुअल अप्रोच, गलत भी हो गया तो भी क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ अप्रोच इट शोड, एंड 33% लो मोटिवेटेड पीपल सेड ओके फाइन, हाँ ये मैच हो रहा है, हाँ ये मैच हो रहा है, ये मैच हो रहा है, लाइक दैट, एंड 16% ओनली विचारी पीपल ओनली they conform up to 16%.
So that means how strong you are inside.
Yes.
How your inner conviction is strong will determine.
So again that like however the group is trying to put a pressure on you, but if you are stable and if you are vichari and if you are a thinker, you will take the decision, appropriate decision what you feel it.
In the marriage, what marriage में जो खर्चा करते हैं या दिखावा करते हैं, it comes from this only, right? लोगों को दिखावा. One of my relatives used to say कि मैं मेरी लड़की की ऐसी शादी करूंगा कि लोग देखते रहेंगे, और फिर ऐसी शादी की 1000-2000 चाहिए तो भी मांगते हैं दूसरे. So लोग अगर उसका inner conviction strong होता था तो वो शादी में खर्चा नहीं करता, isn't it? That's the main point.
So what is the difference between the informational influence and normative influence? Here when we conform to others because we believe they have accurate information, number one, because of that we conform कि अपने को कम मालूम है, उनको ज़्यादा मालूम है, और उनका ही सही है, मैं जो सोचता हूँ वो सही नहीं है. If it is this kind of a mindset, then we tend to conform. In this case of normative influence, when we want to be in the good books of others, okay, that time it is normative.
फिर लोगों को खुश करो, खुद की वाट लगाओ, इस तरह का फिलॉसफी भी हो सकता है.
Very common.
Very common. Here it is minority influence and conformity. Now minority, as I defined in the beginning, that unusual response, a minority, and he is an influencer, teacher or politician or any group. Now that minority is if that person has said something without conviction, so that will impact, like shows uncertainty to change the chance of influence is very small, but the same person is convincing case and it will increase the probability of changing the beliefs. So like stronger the response of minority, impact will be higher, and lesser the conviction of the minority, impact will be lesser. So again it is a dependent on minority.
And conviction.
Yeah, and conviction. Gender and conformity. Social, now it has been stated that females are more likely to conform than males. Okay, so maybe it is in the upbringing or maybe it is a male dominated society. We must accept this.
Male dominated society, इसलिए इंडियन सोसाइटी में फीमेल्स का ज्यादा सर दुखता है.
Yes.
और उनके ही आंग में ज्यादा आता है.
Become a psychic.
Psychic.
Possession state. That is outlet.
Outlet, yeah.
Durga Mata.
Now we have dealt with conformity. Now coming to a compliance. Compliance is where a person does something that they are asked to do by another. They may choose to comply or not to comply. Although thoughts of social reward and punishment may lead them to compliance, when they really do not want to comply. Okay. Now there are principles observed to increase compliance. 1. Reciprocation. 2. Credibility. 3. Friendship. Social validation and commitment. Reciprocation, it's a power of give and take. Reciprocity, obligation to give when you receive. So the way you are treating others, you are expecting that other person also to treat in the same manner is nothing but reciprocity. So based on the yeah.
Yeah, in the marriages or in relationship also, when it doesn't happen, people get disturbed.
अरे मैंने तो दिया था गिफ्ट इसने नहीं
And they
दिया।
demand reciprocity
Demand reciprocity.
rather than expecting reciprocity.
In what way?
Say for example, मैं तुम्हारे लिए इतना कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन तुम
Yes.
इतना भी नहीं कर रहे हो.
The Bible is marriage in every way.
Every way.
But typical example which is top of the mind recall is marriage.
This is one kind of tendency.
Tendency. It is a tendency. Demand for reciprocity. Albert Ellis called, that demand for reciprocity.
हम लोगों ने इतना किया और तेरे भाई ने एक चम्मच भी नहीं उठाया.
That is why nowadays some people write in the invitation, no gifts, only blessing. That is very correct
This
thing.
is, as you rightly said, this is all the beliefs.
Yeah.
कि करना ही चाहिए दूसरे
करना
ने.
ही चाहिए. That's-
There is no law कि
Yeah.
तुमने आपने किया तो दूसरे ने करना ही चाहिए.
Yeah.
Because I am trusting you, you also must trust me. I am not breaking your trust, you also must not. But few people, most of people will not break, but few people will break.
There is no guarantee certainty, So based on the social norm, treat others as you would expect to be treated. Okay. And this is reciprocation. Now coming to a credibility, the source of request will also affect whether we comply or not. If the source is an expert, you tend to believe in and you tend to comply to it. Source will be an expert in terms of the knowledge, abilities, skills, more credible, would be respect the request more and would be more likely to comply. Credibility experiments invited 500 students of different university, to join the study about the opinion of sleep. Okay. So 500 students were there to prove this particular theory. So here they have been asked about their opinion. What is your opinion about how much on an average a person should get a sleep? So that time they opine on an average 8 hours. But the moment they introduced two people, one a Nobel Prize winner whose research was on sleep, physiologist, and second person YMCA instructor. And when both these guys interacted with these students, their answer differed. Okay. So whatever the expert person has said, your opinion will change. Okay. So this is the credibility, that source, from where the source we are getting the information. Recent example of losing credibility over here probably.
Yeah. See, we know India lost to West Indies.
Yes.
And New Zealand lost to England. But one astrologer predicted that India will win and New Zealand will win, and the final will be between India and New Zealand. But that never happened. So this where the person is losing credibility. The astrologer, the example.
In fact, he has claimed, and it has been written black and white written, World Cup will be ours. But nothing has happened like that. So that means he has lost the credibility.
मटके का फोरकास्ट फ्लॉप हो गया.
But some people believe in that matka.
नहीं, then there will be नहीं ऐसा हुआ वो no ball and something ग्रह वाला था.
But तीन ना consistently when it is going, the prediction is proving wrong. Mind में का जो ग्रह है, that is more important,
Yeah. Then again, compliance like liking and friendship. If it is friend circle is there, people tend to comply with the friendly atmosphere or circumstances. Scarcity, here it is this is a major gimmick nowadays in the marketing, that if you make any particular product scarce or limited, people tend to purchase that.
Flipkart, बोलेगा हाँ अभी रजिस्ट्रेशन करो, एक बंद होने वाला है, within 30 seconds 1-2 लाख मोबाइल बेच देते हैं.
Yes.
I'm not taking through experiment because social validation. So certain social validation is required for compliance, and if you see that like you are like if it is your neighbors and group and surrounding people are like approving it, you tend to follow their advice and you tend to purchase. Okay, so this is a social validation. Now coming to commitment. Commitment, it is like it's a store or a company induced by loyalty cards or a bonuses and can make it harder for a person to change where the shop or what they purchase. So it becomes a commitment. Once we go for that particular shop and that shop is consistently giving some or the bonuses and some or the like schemes, you tend to follow them because you have shown the commitment. Fine, we are getting a bonuses and all, why to change? Let us stick to that particular shop. Now interesting, 4 compliance strategies are there. What are those 4 compliance strategies or gimmicks? How to make that person to say comply to you. Okay, 1 is foot in the door technique, 2nd door in the face technique, 3rd is a low ball technique, and 4th is a ingression technique. And what are these now? Foot in the door technique. This involves getting a person to agree to a larger request. Okay, this technique makes the person a larger request by first setting them up by having that person agreeing to modest request. Okay, in a telephone study, a team of a psychologist telephoned housewife in a California and asked few questions about household products. This is a small thing. Telephonically ask household wives that like I want to information about the household. All the women comply to it because that is a small thing. Right? After 3 days, what they did? The psychologist called again to these women, and what they said? This time they asked if they could send 5 or 6 men into the house to go through cupboards and the storage places as a part of 2-hour enumeration of a household product. And for this, here these women said yes. This is the like you make a setup before you make that person to comply the bigger request. You make the smaller request and then make a bigger request. Okay, maybe in one of the case you will get a phone call. Why don't you come down for the evening party? Okay, and then they will ask you to come in the party, and then they will make you to purchase 10,000 rupees worth their product.
Come with your checkbook. ऐसा भी
Yes.
In case you feel that checkbook भी साथ में लाओ.
Yes.
And अकेला नहीं आना.
Wife case also, so that again the pressure. So that is a foot in the door technique. Some of the more examples of this. Can I go over to Sita's house for an hour? Followed by, can I stay the night? Can I borrow the car for 1 day? Followed by, can I borrow the car for the weekend? Third, would you sign this petition for our cause? Followed by, would you donate to our cause? Okay.
One example I remember, एक घर में क्या था कि ऑर्थोडॉक्स थोड़ा फैमिली था, तो बट लड़के ने एंगेजमेंट किया इंटरकास्ट. तो जो लड़के की जो माँ थी वो कहने लग गई कि वो लड़की को ड्रेस नहीं साड़ी पहनना हो. हाँ, फिर साड़ी पहनना, ओके फाइन साड़ी. फिर आगे नहीं वो पल्लू भी लो. So one after the other it starts, you know.
This is happening.
It happens. A door in the face technique. Okay, here in this particular technique, what they do it first, making an extremely large request. Okay, that the respondent will obviously turn down with a symbolically slamming of a door in the pursuer's face. Straight away, this person is going to slam the door on the face. Nahi chahiye karke. Okay. The respondent is then more likely to agree to a second request, which is more reasonable request. बड़े से छोटे रिक्वेस्ट में आना.
कभी-कभी क्या होता है बजट में ट्रेन का भाड़ा बढ़ाना है या कुछ टैक्सेस बढ़ाना है, पहले बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा देते हैं, फिर जाके सिखाने लग गए कि थोड़ा कम कर देते हैं.
Will you donate rupees 1,000 to our organization? The response is no. Oh well, could you donate rupees 10? Can you help me do all this work? Well, can you help me with this bit? Yes, बड़े से छोटे. low ball technique, in which an item or service is offered at a lower price than is actually intended to be charged, after which the price is raised to increase profits. So this happens usually for 20%, 30% off a, like, you know, so already prices are like for like expensive, and then top of that they reduce it to some level and get the relief. Chalo theek hai, let's go and
समाधान मिळालं की आपल्याला.
ingression, only you can do this job right, so highly you motivate that person. You are the fit for this particular job, you are the one who can do this, nobody else has power to do this. So that way it is like, you know, make person to comply.
Corporate
Yeah, corporate they play this kind of a thing. Now coming to obedience, very important, like, you know, would you like to take this? Yeah. Obedience is different from compliance in that it is obeying an order from someone that you accept as an authority figure. Okay. Example, many military officers and commercial managers are interested only in one particular aspect, that is obedience, nothing else. You are meant for this, you better follow this, my orders.
There is not
No
pass
questions.
by. There
Yes.
is got to do and die.
Yes, do and die. Forms of obedience, obedience to laws, yes, you have to follow them, there is no scope. Obedience to social norms, obedience to monarch, government, organization, so these are obedience to God, like, you know, self-imposed constraint. These are the many forms of obedience. Now, interesting experiments has been done to prove obedience.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before it's why he started his experiment, what he saw around 1960s, एक जो आदमी था उसने काफी लोगों को मर्डर किया, मतलब काफी लोगों को एक he killed in the war. Then जब उसको कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस किया गया तो he said कि I have complied only the orders, मतलब तो then obey the orders. So he thought, he gave a thought that I will conduct some experiment. So he started with his experiment. This is the experiment.
Yeah.
Okay.
So three mostly cited experiments are, when you have gone through it, it is really shocking experiments for me. One, the Milgram experiment. Second, the Stanford prison experiment, and most commonly cited experiments. And third is Hoffling hospital experiment. So we'll see these experiments one by one. Very interesting. Why people are and how people are obedient. The Milgram experiment. Here it is. Two individuals were to enter a psychology laboratory and take a part in a study of memory and learning. Okay. So two people are the participants over here. One of them was to be the teacher and the other the student. The student was instructed to learn a list of word pairs, and whenever the student made a mistake would receive an electric shock of increasing intensity.
From 30 degree to 450 degree, like 30 volt to 450 volt, not 50, 30 volt.
However,
And the intensity will increase.
Yeah.
एक mistake हुआ तो 15 or 30, then 60 or like
Yeah.
that.
however, the focus of the experiment is the teacher. Now here it is teacher and student, but the focus from this experiment point of view, the focus was on teacher, because teacher is going to ask a question to the student, student will, if he fails, he is going to give the instruction to give this shock. Okay. So teacher was the focus as far as to understand how he behaves. The teacher watches the student being strapped into place and then taken to a shock generator. He watches that. The shock generator features switches ranging from 15 to 450 volts, okay, in the increments of 15 volts. As he said, if the student gets the answer correct, the teacher is to move on to the next problem. And if the answer is wrong, the teacher is to shock the student beginning with 15 volts and so on and so forth. The teacher, being the focus of the experiment, does not know the student is really being shocked, and that the student is not really being shocked, and that the student is really as an actor. Here it is, shock is not given to the student, but teacher was unaware of it. Okay, so teacher was assumed and he was pretending and acting, getting shocked. 15, 30, but he was unaware, but he was following the instructions teacher.
स्टूडेंट को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया था कि
स्टूडेंट को
ये
इंस्ट्रक्शन था, हाँ, तो आंसर रॉन्ग है. Yeah. Each time the student answers incorrectly and is shocked, he pretends to be shocked. Okay? As the teacher watches the student being tortured by the electric shocks, he continues to follow the orders he was instructed. The experiment proves that obedience is something humans teach one another and follow through with them throughout
They
life.
went to extend to up to 450 degree.
Volts.
Volts.
Yeah, 450 volts.
Volts.
Man will die.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that person accepted that instruction and he followed that, implemented that, which shows that the human behavior, obedience behavior, how one can go to what extent. Okay, but that is a reflection.
Explanation दिया था. How this obedience, so the blind obedience to authority.
That's what,
कोई लीडर बोलता है जाओ उसको तोड़ दो. And
that
people
concentration camp
Camp
officers,
yes.
soldiers, they did
Yes.
that only.
That
Yes,
they
yes.
did.
Even irrespective of they
Their
didn't like
feelings.
it.
Yeah.
blind obedience.
So many.
और once I remember ये जयललिता का एक ये जब गवर्नमेंट का वोट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस था तो एआईडीएमके के एक लीडर को पूछ रहे थे पत्रकार आपके पार्टी की क्या भूमिका है, फिर बार बार मैडम विल डिसाइड, मैडम विल डिसाइड. सो इन पॉलिटिक्स आल्सो
ये
obedience is there.
Yes.
Irrespective of like their own thinking, reality. Now the Milgram experiment thinks the problem lies in the structure of society. Very, very important. People are just following orders of superiors and are not directly responsible for his or her actions. And because of that, when we say that structure of society, then automatically when it is some superior is there or like one level higher up, we are not supposed to ask any question to him because he is our superior and because he is one level higher up to us. That society has been built. Okay, so which shows in today's area. Second experiment is the Stanford prison experiment. Interesting experiment. This has also been done just to understand why people like shows the behavior of obedience. Studies the behavior of people in groups and in a particular the willingness of people to obey orders and adopt abusive roles in a situation where they were placed in the position of being submissive or dominant by a higher authority. In this particular it has been given that kind of a role. One is abusive and one is submissive role. All of them they were no like they have to play the role, but still they participated and obeyed the orders of authority. Okay, and what is that experiment? In this experiment, a group of volunteers was divided into two groups and placed in a prison, with one group in the position of playing prison guards and the other group in the position of prisoners. In this case, the experimenters acted as authority figures at the start of the experiment, but then delegated responsibility to the guards. Okay. Guards enthusiastically followed the experimenters' instruction. They assumed the roles of abusive authority figures, eventually going far beyond the experimenters' original instructions in their efforts to dominate and brutalize the prisoners, and they followed it.
They have been told to only abuse, not to hit, but they started
Hitting them.
That was told that you don't have to hit, but still they followed.
At the same time, the prisoners adopted a submissive role with regard to their tormentors, even though they knew that they were in an experiment. But they became obedient because authority has given the instruction and they followed it. Both of them were knowing the role play, still they followed the instructions, surprisingly. The Stanford experiment demonstrated not only the obedience of the guards to the experimenters and the prisoners to both the guards and the experimenters, but also high levels of compliance and conformity. This has been proved with the help of this particular experiment. Now third, the Hoffling Hospital experiment. Okay, Psychiatrist Charles Hoffling published the result of a field experiment on obedience in the nurse-physician relationship in its natural hospital setting. In this particular setting, what they did? Nurses unaware, they were taking part in an experiment. So nurses were unaware that you are a part of this experiment. They were ordered by unknown doctors to administer dangerous doses of a particular drug to the patient.
Fictional drug.
Okay, okay. That drug is like, but like a dangerous drug you are supposed to administer to the patient. Now nurses were aware that this will be harmful to the patient,
Yeah.
but although several hospital rules do not allow administrating that particular drug, under the circumstances 21 out of 22 nurses would have given the patient an overdose of the medicine just because doctor has authorized and instructed.
So almost 100%.
100%. So concluding statement
तो
or
लड़की को जो पेट में मारे मतलब वो they killed ना
Yeah.
तो even they are aware कि law है but they comply the staff they comply to the doctor yeah.
correct, because ultimately they are the one who will be doing it, right, along with the doctors. Ordinary people will go to any length to be submissive to an authority figure, no matter the moral dilemma. Only when we can differentiate between being a good subject and having a good morals will be able to make a distinction between being obedient and committing crimes by our own individual actions. Again, how internally we are stable and how internally we are conviction about our own thoughts and taking the responsibility of our actions and emotions, then only we can differentiate between commitment, obedience or any actions.
That's why Kabir said, शीलवंत सबसे बड़ा, शीलवंत सबसे बड़ा, सब रत्नन की खान, तीन लोग की संपदा, रही शील में आन. शील means morality, right? So जिसके पास वो morality है, उसका इनर कन्विक्शन भी स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा, that person will not get influenced, और वो आदमी दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा रईस है. So that is what the concluding.
Pro-social behavior. Okay. Another important factor over here is pro-social behavior.
This is another chapter.
Chapter. This is another chapter. Okay. So in this particular pro-social behavior, and what do you mean by pro-social behavior? Any act performed with the goal of benefiting another person is a pro-social
You
behavior.
can see these posters.
Yeah. So you are helping other person. Okay. So this is a pro-social behavior, and pro-social behavior is often accompanied by psychological and social rewards for its performer. Whoever is doing it, probably they will be rewarded in terms of in a group or in a society. Probably अच्छा आदमी है, इस तरह से label मिलता है. So like that kind of a benefit is also been attracted for the doing such kind of act. Examples of pro-social behavior: people donating money to tsunami relief fund may not always be selfless. There is a tax exemption का benefit होता है. Okay, that's the reason also. With that belief also they do it.
Many NGOs they give this first, तो tax benefit है आपको.
हाँ. Altruism, helping another person with no expectation of receiving a reward, refers to a kind of a selfless help which is based on pure desire to help others. Okay, so this we can understand one particular word also along with the pro-social behavior. We can also understand.
On the right, man is doing what?
Here it is offering a soldier is offering a glass of like juice to soldier without any expectations. Why pro-social behavior got introduced? Very interesting. Why this has come into the picture? Okay, social psychology, and why this has become a chapter. Okay, so here there's one lady, Kitty Genovese, was murdered in front of her home. 1964. Okay, so this lady got murdered in front of her home. Rape and murder. She parked her car away from her apartment when all of a sudden a man named Vincent chased her down, stabbed her in the back twice, and this lady was screaming for help, and neighbor responded shouting at the criminal that let that girl alone, let that girl alone, but nobody came forward to rescue.
Only shouting, that's
Only shouting. So almost how many, 36 neighbors were there, 38 neighbors were there, and nobody came to her request, and she got murdered in front of her house. Okay, then psychologists thought of it. Why indifference and lack of concern observed from all the neighbors of Kitty? They found a bystander apathy is the major factor that influences helping behavior. So because of this particular incident, one, there is a bystander apathy or behavior came into existence. Okay, but this was the major causative incident.
Second point is समझा.
Second point समझेगा सर आपको
They
bystander
Yeah,
effect.
what is
Okay,
that? That is very important.
very important this is. It refers to the phenomenon in which greater the number of people present, less likely people are to help a person in distress.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes,
This is
yes, yes. More the people are there.
Other person will help, other person will help. That is called bystander.
Because otherwise strength is
Right,
increasing.
अभी समझा.
Yeah.
अभी समझे आप, like you know, this is the bystander effect where a person,
So
every
हमें तो
individual
लगता है कि
person.
दूसरा help
दूसरा ये
करेगा.
करेगा.
But if you are alone watching, then help.
Then-
You are more likely to
Chances
help.
are more.
Chances
Yes,
are more. That is
yes,
also proved in the
yes,
research in social
yes,
psychology.
This is very interesting. Yeah.
So in emergency, observers do take actions provided no other witness or very few witness are there. Okay.
Then you take.
Then you tend to help that person. Pro-social behavior in emergency situation, how things happens. 5-step responses in emergency situation. Noticing the emergency, if person is in a hurry, people fail to notice also that emergency has happened or emergency has occurred because people are in a hurry. Interpreting an emergency as an emergency. People do not interpret कि this is emergency. दो जन झगड़ा कर रहे हैं, हस्बैंड वाइफ का झगड़ा होगा, कौन ध्यान देगा, चलो आगे बढ़ो, like you know, and probably that husband murdered that wife also, and then later on person come to know, oh that was an emergency, I should have helped, you know. So interpreting an emergency as an assuming that it is your responsibility to help. So people,
इसमें एक ऐसा वीडियो मैंने कल देखा, सोशल मीडिया में आया था, जो बहू है वो सास को शी इज ट्राइंग टू बीट द सास और वो सास को मारने की कोशिश कर रही है, मतलब दुपट्टे से. दैट वाज हैपनिंग फॉर क्वाइट सम काफी समय से हो रहा था. तो वो क्या किया उन्होंने सीसीटीवी लगा दिया, तो सीसीटीवी में पता चला. सो अर्लियर आल्सो उसने ऐसा किया था, एंड शी सास घर से बाहर आई, लोगों से हेल्प मांगी, और लोगों को लगा कि ये घर का मामला है, इसमें क्या हम ये करें. सो उन्होंने ये इंटरप्रेट ही नहीं किया कि ये इमरजेंसी है, मतलब, एंड शी लिटरली ट्राइड टू किल दैट, बट समहाउ शी सर्वाइव्ड. You know, so noticing that it is emergency, that is also
people fail.
important.
Yes, people fail.
Yeah. जैसे एक कभी दिल्ली मेट्रो में एक पुलिस था, तो उसका एक सोशल मीडिया में वीडियो वायरल हुआ था लास्ट ईयर. तो उसको कुछ ब्रेन का प्रॉब्लम होने की वजह से वो लड़खड़ा रहा था और गिरा, पर लोगों को लगा कि ये और वो वीडियो इतना वायरल हुआ, बाद में उसको नौकरी से हाथ धोना पड़ा, बाद में एक प्रूव्ड कि उसको वो ब्रेन का कुछ है. सो दैट इज आल्सो हाउ वी इंटरप्रेट इट.
How we interpret.
दैट इज आल्सो सपोज कोई शराब पी के किसी को समझो डायबिटीज के कारण कोई पड़ा है नीचे, सम पीपल माइट इंटरप्रेट कि है
Drunk.
पी के पड़ा
हाँ, ये होता है.
है.
Suppose if you are driving on a with a friend driving on a highway, बाजू में पड़ा है, तो एक फ्रेंड बोलता है वो तो दारू पी के पड़ा है, एक बोलेगा नहीं एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, चलो जाके हेल्प करेंगे.
या तीसरा बोलेगा कि वो फेक पड़ा होगा,
हाँ.
हम लोग रुकेंगे तो वो लूटेगा.
लूटेगा.
हाँ, yes, ऐसा भी होता है.
How you interpret?
Pretending as well.
Yes, yes.
Knowing what, assuming that it is your responsibility to help, so people assume someone else will take responsibility and no one does ultimately. Knowing what to do, many people they do not know in this emergency how to do it and how to help, so that's the reason they avoid the
If you are
responsibility.
trained, then you are more likely to help. That is also proved in social
Yes.
psychology. You know, if you are trained,
उसी को काम दिया जाता है always.
या
Yeah.
आपको experience है previous, you are more likely to help, or your previous experience is rewarded, you are more likely to help.
Making the decision to help may think you are unqualified to help that person or may involve the कॉस्ट टू सेल्फ, टाइम जाएगा, पैसा जाएगा,
जैसा बोला
आज
आपने,
का
वो लूटने के लिए रहेगा that would be the cost to self. Yeah.
Huh?
So person withdraw to
Yeah. Factors affecting helping behavior, the physical attractiveness. So if it is more, people tend to help you more. Okay. Similarity and niche, like if it is your own group, own circle, inner circle, your community, you tend to help that, like community people. Religiosity, humanity value and religious people more likely to donate and help. Okay. So victims perspective, greater empathy, altruistic behavior for individual who are primed to take the victims perspective. हमेशा दूसरों के बारे में जो सोचने वाला रहता है, so from that point of
और
view.
जो लोग ह्यूमैनिस्टिक वैल्यू रखते हैं या मतलब एक्चुअल रिलीजन को समझते हैं, दे डोनेट मोर. दैट इज, ये रिसर्च में भी ये बात पता चला है.
Personal experience found that those who are reported being abused as a child indicated that they would intervene, and if they see any child is getting abused, so probably they will help. So their own personal experience. Okay. Responsibility. A study carried out on the New York subway showed that the people were more likely to help blind rather than drunk Confederates who had collapsed. Yeah. So responsibility. Positive friend influence. Adolescent always try to take, like help of a friend. So those it has been seen that they are more helpful, though for for them, like if there is more friendly and friend circle is more, probably that person tend to help more.
And the peer pressure problem also is there.
In there, yeah. Again here it is gender. Females engage in pro-social behavior more frequently than males. Again it is a society development, we can say. And another thing for men, it is men are more likely to help in a brave way, heroic way when they require and to prove. Women are more likely to help in a nurturant ways and involving long-term commitment. Okay.
I think this is maybe because of it is in our genes.
It is our
From the
genes.
ancient
Yes,
time.
yes. Factors affecting helping behavior, again age, effects of positive moods. If you feel good, you tend to help more. Okay. Now I'll hand over this to Nilesh and he'll continue the social conflicts.
Excellent.
About why social conflict happens. Because of one of the reason is scarcity of resources. No nation or society has resources to meet the demands of all groups and stay in harmony. So social groups, what they do, they tries to exploit resources and maximizing their gains or outcomes. So you will understand better. I'm going to give you some examples. When different groups of society opposing each other to promote their own interest or tries to maximize their gains at the cost of others. Why social conflict happens? The resources are limited and each group will claim, I want this, I want this. So then the problem will start. I'm going to talk about कुछ इसमें जो हाल ही में जो आंदोलन हुए हैं उसके बारे में I'm going to talk. When one social group compare its gains and feel marginalized or perceives that it is being deprived by other group. Social conflict involve incompatibility. Some people are able to get what they want while others fail to get what they want. So it leads to anger. जिनको नहीं मिलता है उनके दिमाग में anger create होता है and then because of their wants are not fulfilled. What is social conflicts? It revolves around social power. Access to power or hold over power ensures a group succeed in attaining its goal. Power, political power, there are different sources of power. One example, in Rajasthan, ये आंदोलन काफी समय, गुर्जर एंड मीना, ये आंदोलन काफी ये चल रहा है. Gurjar tried to get entry into scheduled tribes, was let down by Meena, another tribe, because Meenas enjoy tremendous political, bureaucratic and economic power. So that because of that power, उन्होंने वो जो है गुर्जरों को ये नहीं होने दिया, right? काफी रेल रोको हुआ था और काफी प्रॉब्लम हुआ था. Therefore, Meenas successfully let down Gurjars, attempted to take part of their cake of reservation. Yeah. So ये जो है because of power. There are different forms of social conflict we will see and group conflicts in Indian society. Overt conflict, they are very explicit, they are visible conflict. Competition is fierce and direct. Explicit is aimed to defeat the opponent and ensure one's victory. Especially in organization, union and management. That is very explicit. Or war between two countries, or debate between two speakers. और पॉलिटिक्स में होता है कि वन पर्सन ये बोलेगा, फिर दूसरा फिर उसका रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा, फिर वो ये रिस्पॉन्ड करेगा. दैट इज मीडिया में. सब्जेक्टिव कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, ये इंटरनल जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होते हैं हमारे अंदर, दैट इज दैट. देन ऑब्जेक्टिव कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, इन सोशल सिचुएशन वन ग्रुप गेट्स मोर बेनिफिट्स एंड अदर गेट्स लेस. Government takes some welfare steps, some people get more benefits, some other receives less than expected benefits. Then this can, example, OBC were given a quota of 27% in government jobs, but only few of the dominant castes like Jats, Ahir, and then Kurmi and Kumawat got majority share, and other castes like Gurjar and Luhars etc. could not get much benefit. Result, they started demanding separate quota. So that again one example of objective conflict. Now in Indian context, you will see caste conflict divided into forward caste, backward caste and scheduled caste and tribes. Example, ये कैसे हुआ है, इंडिया में एक ये था मनुस्मृति नाम का ग्रंथ, उसमें लिखा था अगर किसी शूद्र ने ज्ञान कहा तो उसकी जो टंग है उसको जीभ काट देना चाहिए. अगर ज्ञान ग्रहण करने की कोशिश की तो उसमें वो गरम गरम ये शीशा कहते हैं ना, वो डालना चाहिए. तो दैट वाज द कमांड, दे वर द कमांड. सो उसके कारण देयर वर कास्ट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. और महाराष्ट्र में खैरलांजी करके एक प्लेस था, वहाँ पर भी 3-4 people got killed, 3 people got killed. Then communal conflict. Since independence, ये हिंदू मुस्लिम का जो प्रॉब्लम है इंडिया में, दैट यू विल फाइंड, communal rights, cost thousands of life and millions of dollars of worth property. Babri Masjid, after demolition of Babri Masjid, and recently Muzaffarnagar में भी जो हुआ. Then you will see BJP को more than 70 seats they got in UP. That one of the reason was Muzaffarpur, So that is how that conflict influence जो है. Then tribal conflict. Tribes always emphasize on keeping their independent existence. Tribes think that assimilation with majority population would jeopardize their separate identity. अपना identity खत्म हो जाएगा. So that's why ये झारखंड जो हुआ है ना, that is because of that, to preserve their rights. There are various methods of conflict resolution. Blake and Mountain strategy, Blake and Mountain उनका conflict resolution का कौन सा strategy था? These were 5 strategies they were talking. I will withdrawing, that is lose-lose approach, smoothing, compromising, forcing, confrontation and problem solving. What is withdrawing? In this the person resolves the problem by stepping back from the situation of struggle. So वो step back करता है. Smoothing, this compromises of putting emphasis on points of common interest and avoiding discussion on matters of debate or controversy. Can you read, Pradnya?
Compromising, lose-lose approach. This strategy seeks to decrease differences through discussion. Forcing, win-lose approach. This approach is an all or none approach, in that it takes a competitive stand. It is this way or that way approach. Fifth, confrontation and problem solving, win-win approach. Both parties openly discuss all matters and the best mutually accepted solution is accepted.
Yeah, there are 2-dimensional model. These are 5 strategies also. I will just read for your understanding. Yeah, just read.
Competing, accommodating, avoiding, collaborating and compromising.
That is assertive and uncooperative, and assertive and cooperative. So different level. We will now talk what is your predominant mode. Out of this, each individual, most of the time they are in one of the predominant mode, and that's how their conflict resolution strategies are. We will talk about what is prejudice. That is very important chapter. expression of dislike against members of some religion, race, or group. That is, prejudice is an attitude that predisposes a person to think, perceive, feel, and act in a favorable or unfavorable ways towards a group or its individual members. So, either favorable. Three components of prejudice: thinking, emotion, and behavior. These are the three components that are present in prejudice. What are the characteristics of prejudice? Prejudice is acquired. So, we will see how it is acquired. There are 5 characteristics.
Prejudice is acquired through the process of learning and socializing.
What is socialization? There are different socializing agents like our own parents, grandparents, teacher, religion, now social media, TV, the sources through which we learn. That is called socialization. So from there we acquired.
When born, a child is like a blank slate and it is free of any kind of a prejudice. Example, a child learns to hate Pakistanis only because he sees significant others in the society.
Then the child will start, hating. Yeah, say for example, if you are staying near the mosque or mosque से वो आवाज आता है वहाँ, and you are अजान होती है and you have negative approach, your child will observe and will develop negative approach. Similarly, vice versa can also happen, but it is acquired. The prejudice is acquired.
Prejudice is always colored with emotions. It is either for or against some group, community, or religion. If favorable, the person would show too much affection, love, care, and sympathy for members of another group. If unfavorable, the person would show a hatred, dislike, and hostility.
Does that mean strong belief will slowly go to prejudice?
From belief only we form the prejudice, but favorable, that means these are
Deep-rooted.
Yeah, deep-rooted. This prejudice is deep-rooted. Favorable, what does it mean? Say for example, you belong to particular community, a person will show a favorable attitude towards that particular community. So when the person will show, then person will show affection, love, care and sympathy. And उसके दूसरा जो community है उसके बारे में the person will show hatred, dislike and hostility.
So what kind of nurturing is being nurturing?
Yeah, that is what the first point was. It is acquired. So that means it is learned. In the nurturing, we learn that
Prejudice is irrational. Reasoning and wisdom is not involved in prejudice.
Yeah.
The individual does not change his prejudice even when gets new information and evidence to the contrary. So it got so fixed that like however person or people try to push it
Conditioned
off.
mind.
condition. Still, we are going to talk 6 ways to minimize the prejudice. But first, we will try to understand what is prejudice.
Prejudice has no connection with reality. It is primarily based on hearsay, incomplete and wrong information, customs and traditions of the society. It can't stand test of logic and reasoning.
Yeah.
Prejudice is functional. Prejudice helps the individual justify his hostilities, repress desires, suppress desires, that means strengthen feelings of self-esteem and prestige. It helps individual justify his exploitation,
Right.
discrimination of members of other group. Example, upper caste Hindus justified their exploitation of lower caste, reasoning that they are like the only and deserve to be exploited, discriminated against.
या धर्म ग्रंथ में ऐसा कहा है. Before we move, we will talk about the types of prejudice. But I would like to show you one video, right? Related to social psychology. So, can you play that video? ये इंडिया में एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ है कि how people develop prejudice, how they change their prejudice और बाद में मतलब with both it is
मेरा नाम रघुराज है। मेरा नाम वसीम है और दरअसल मैं एक ग्रुप में काम करता हूँ। हम चलाते हैं एक संगठन जिसका नाम है कट्टर हिंदू सेवा संगठन। एक ग्रुप के लिए मैं काम करता हूँ, इस्लामिक स्टूडेंट ऑफ इंडिया।
तुमसे हम इसलिए बात कर रहे हैं यार, क्योंकि तुम भी हिंदू हो और हम भी हिंदू हैं, हम तो एक संगठन चला रहे हैं। प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है कि अब देश में मुसलमानों में ना बहुत दंग मचा गया।
आपने भी दादी का
आपके जैसा हिंदू, हमारे जैसा हिंदू बिल्कुल रिलैक्स हो जाता है, कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं। ये करने की जरूरत है, इनको पता होना चाहिए कि हिंदू क्या करते हैं।
मैं आपको एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ,
और मैं भी आपको एक वीडियो दिखाता हूँ। देखिए ये वीडियो देखिए आप
देखिए
इसमें एक गाय का सर कलम कर रहे हैं, आप देख रहे हैं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल दिख रहा है।
आप देख रहे हैं?
इतनी शर्म नहीं है कि
हम ट्विटर, हाँ हम ट्विटर, फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप सब पे हैं। और मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप भी उस पर आएँ और आप भी आप मुझे अपना नंबर देंगे क्या?
इसीलिए हमारा जो संगठन है कट्टर हिंदू सेवा समिति इस काम को करने के लिए आगे बढ़ा है कि आप जैसे हिंदू नौजवानों को हमें एकजुट करना है। आप इस तरह के वीडियो को अपने ग्रुप में फैलाइए। मैं ये वीडियो आपको भेजता हूँ,
लेकिन क्या करें, हमारे पास ताकत नहीं, और ताकत इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि आप जैसे जो नौजवान हैं वो और चीज़ों में तो मशरूफ रहते हैं।
तो यार मेरा ये कहना है कि भाई तो क्या हमारे और तुम्हारे जैसा जो नौजवान हिंदू पूरे चुपचाप बैठा रहेगा?
अरे आप जब तक ये शेयर नहीं करेंगे, आप जब तक अपने कौम के लोगों को नहीं बताएंगे हम लोग के साथ क्या होगा, तो कैसे चलेगा?
अपने हिंदू दोस्तों के बीच फैलाना, उसको फैलाओगे ना, क्योंकि फैलाना बहुत जरूरी है। आप मानते हो वीडियो देखने के बाद जरूरी है।
आप मुझे अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दीजिए।
ठीक है, मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में डाल रहा हूँ।
हाँ मैं आपको ऐड कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? हमारे ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं। ठीक है, आप मुझे अपना नंबर दीजिए।
Rahul can also
चलिए
send us.
लगा दो दिया। चलिए यासिर भाई, मुलाकात होती है, शुक्रिया।
Fake WhatsApp group.
हाँ यार, वीडियो तो देखिए आपने, फॉरवर्ड किया हमने।
भाई वीडियो देखा क्या?
लेकिन यासिर भाई एक छोटी गड़बड़ हुई। दरअसल मेरा नाम कामिल है।
अरे गलती होगी तो नाम बात नहीं है वीडियो को, क्या होगा? मेरा नाम मैंने आपको रघुराज बताया था ना, अभी उसने नाम चेंज करके रहमान कर लिया है।
मेरा नाम तो विकास है।
अब मैं रघुराज से रहमान हो गया।
आप मुझे जानते हैं क्या?
नहीं, मैंने पहली बार देखा आपको।
आपने मुझे पहली बार देखा, एक अनजान आदमी आपके पास आया। ठीक है, ये वीडियो बहुत ही ये बहुत ही एग्रेसिव वीडियो है। ऐसा वीडियो से देख के किसी को गुस्सा आ जाएगा। लेकिन आप मुझे एक बात बताइए, इसकी ऑथेंटिसिटी आपने चेक की? आपने ये जानने की कोशिश की वीडियो कहाँ से आया?
आपने दिखाया है इंडिया का ही है।
नहीं, इंडिया का नहीं है। ये इंडिया का है ही नहीं।
ये वीडियो इंडिया का है भी नहीं। और मैं बस आपको यही बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि क्या होता है कि हमारे और आपके जैसे कॉमन लोग जब कुछ इस तरह का वीडियो देखते हैं, जैसे मैं आपके पास आया, मैंने कहा मेरा नाम रघुराज है, हम हिंदू सेवा समिति से हैं और हम मुसलमानों के खिलाफ काम कर रहे हैं, और मैंने आपको एक हेट वीडियो दिखाया। आपने मेरे को भरोसा किया, पूरा भरोसा किया कि वीडियो सच्चा है। लेकिन अभी मैं आपको बताता हूँ, ना तो मेरा नाम सच्चा है, ना मेरा वीडियो सच्चा है।
और ये जो भी दिख रहा है ना, ये मॉब है। देखिए
तो आप दिखाओ कैसे हो गया? ये वीडियो जो मैंने आपको भेजा है ये इंडिया का है ही नहीं।
सोशल नेटवर्क पे अफवाह फैलानी बहुत ही आसान है, ठीक है? और कुछ लोग इस बात का फायदा भी उठाते हैं।
तो ब्रदर, इस बात को एक मिसाल के तौर पे लो कि ना तो मैं सच्चा था, ना ये वीडियो सच्चा था, लेकिन आप तो खूब फॉलो कर रहे हो। तो आगे से आप प्लीज कोई भी स्टेप उठाने से पहले, नफरत फैलाने से पहले कम से कम 50 बार सोचना।
तो यार गुस्सा हो गया, एकदम ऐसे सीरियस हो गए। मैंने यार तुम्हें समझाने के लिए तुम चाहते हो तुम्हारी चेहरा में नहीं देखा, चाहते हो तुम्हारा चेहरा नहीं देखा।
Excellent.
Yeah. So, important what we were talking. This is what happens, in society. Pradnyatate, presentation. Yes, you are saying something, ma'am.
That's only that we should not trust the strangers.
Yes, trust. And but how people fast they form the prejudice and how they carried away. If you have the prejudice, how you get carried away. with that particular thing. So that's the video, you know. So we will now talk, and the influence also, how we get influenced. We also spoke about social, yeah, social influence and all that. Or recent,
Daily soaps also affects the people, especially the females. Daily soaps,
हम्म,
serials and all.
yes, yes,
Like,
they do.
it's also kind of social.
एब्सोल्युटली, वो तो होता ही है ना. जैसा वो ऐड कब आता है, जब सीरियल में आगे क्या होने वाला है, आगे फिर ब्रेक के बाद, और फिर क्या होता है, सुपर रिन की चमकार. और वो सुपर रिन की चमकार, क्योंकि आपका माइंड का ढक्कन खुल जाता है, फिर वो दिमाग के अंदर जाके पॉकेट में चले जाते हैं. सो वो दे यूज अप साइकोलॉजी का बहुत अच्छी तरह से यूज किया जाता है.
wanted to glue you.
एब्सोल्युटली.
What is the requirements of the society?
या सो वो तो है. सो वी विल नाउ टॉक अबाउट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रेजुडिस. हमने ऑलरेडी बात की कि व्हाट इज प्रेजुडिस. रेशियल प्रेजुडिस, या यू कैन रीड.
Racial prejudice, sex prejudice, caste prejudice, language prejudice, religious prejudice, other prejudices, political prejudice, communal prejudice, etc. Racial prejudice, this is aimed at members of another race. Example, Negroes have been subject of the racial prejudice at the hand of whites.
अभी टुडे ओनली आई सॉ वन वीडियो जिसमें 4 पुलिस ऑफिसर थे, और एक मतलब ये इसके ऊपर प्रेजुडिस के ऊपर ही वीडियो था वो यूट्यूब में. और उसमें मतलब ये 1999 में ये हुआ था हादसा. तो एक निग्रो था, उस निग्रो को उन्होंने बोला कि स्टॉप, मतलब वो उधर ही था. तो ही वॉज पॉकेट में उसने हाथ डाला, ही वॉज सर्चिंग फॉर हिज आई कार्ड, बट दे वर टेलिंग कि आप, पर उसने कुछ करने के पहले उन्होंने 35 बुलेट्स उसके ऊपर शॉट कर दी. उसमें से 19 बुलेट्स उसको लगे, एंड ही डाइड ऑन द स्पॉट. सो सम टाइम यू नो, ये जो निग्रोज एंड वाइट्स का जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, that was, you know, that was highlighted in media also so many times, right. ये है, Jews were target of prejudice by Nazis in Germany. Hitler went to extend to exterminating mass level पे उन्होंने कत्ल कर दिया था. so ये हर कंट्री में अलग अलग ढंग से होता है. इंडिया में भी जो है कास्ट के इस पे जो है, दिस इज देयर, जो कास्ट स्ट्रक्चर है अपने सोसाइटी में, अपर एंड लोअर कास्ट जिसे कहते हैं.
Sex prejudice, women have been target of prejudice. They have been thought of weak, dependent and intellectually less gifted than men.
और एक गाना है, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, बेटी क्यों नहीं करेगी. आज 22% मुंबई में जो सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं ना, शादी के बाद लड़की के पास रह रहे हैं, जिस लड़की को कहते हैं कि वो बोझ है. बट वो प्रेजुडिस, स्टीरियोटाइप, आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट.
लड़के के बदले में लड़की लोग ही देखती है वहाँ.
हाँ, तो मतलब दे आर, वो देखते हैं, लड़के भी देखते हैं. तो हम लोग बात करेंगे कि वो ओवर जनरलाइज्ड क्या है, स्टीरियोटाइप आल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक.
Caste prejudice, Indian social structure is the best example of such prejudice. Our society is divided into numerous castes and each caste is believed to have specific characteristics.
This is also there.
Language prejudice, organization of states in India has been linguistic basis. Example, South states and Hindi, conflicts based on
रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस. ये जो होता है हिंदी का विरोध या मराठी की शक्ति, अलग अलग, दैट इज देयर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ लैंग्वेज प्रेजुडिस. इसके बारे में आई विल शेयर वन रिसर्च विथ यू. इन सोशियोलॉजी, वन एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट जॉन मुरडॉक, उसने एक रिसर्च किया, एंड उसने अपने रिसर्च को नाम दिया इथनोसेंट्रिज्म, इथनोसेंट्रिक अप्रोच. ही वांटेड टू फाइंड व्हाट इज इथनोसेंट्रिज्म. आई विल एक्सप्लेन. ही स्टडीड डिफरेंट कल्चर अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड. तो काफ़ी सारे कल्चर का स्टडी किया, एंड ही फाउंड देयर आर सर्टन फैक्टर्स विच आर कॉमन अमॉन्ग्स्ट ऑल द कल्चर, सम वेरिएबल्स विच आर कॉमन. जैसे खाने का स्टाइल कॉमन है, कपड़ा पहनने का स्टाइल कॉमन है, शादी का स्टाइल कॉमन है, रिलीजन का ये कुछ कॉमनलिटी है, बट द मैनर इन विच दे आर बीइंग प्रैक्टिस्ड दे आर डिफरेंट. बट ही फाउंड वन प्रेजुडिस इन ऑल कल्चर्स. व्हाट वाज दैट प्रेजुडिस? माय कल्चर इज द राइट, दूसरे का रॉन्ग. माइन इज रिलीजन, अदर इज सुपरस्टिशन. सो दैट बिलीफ ही फाउंड एंड ही गेव द नेम इथनोसेंट्रिज्म. इथनोसेंट्रिज्म, जिस कल्चर में मैं रहता हूँ मुझे लगता है कि वही दुनिया का सेंट्रल का कल्चर है. एंड दूसरा, एंड हाउ दिस प्रेजुडिसेस आर फॉर्म, वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड ही उसका साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज के बारे में प्रिजुडिस था. व्हाट ही सेड, साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज क्या है मालूम है, पान का खाली डब्बा लो और उसमें 2-4 पत्थर डालो, ऐसा आवाज बजाओ जो आता है ना, वो साउथ इंडियन लैंग्वेज. सारा जलेबी जलेबी. सो अगेन प्रिजुडिस. या वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड ही सेड, वो मैं ऐसा खाता हूँ ना, दैट इज राइट. वो साउथ इंडियन लोग ऐसा खाते हैं, दैट इज नॉट राइट. या आई एम जैन बाय बर्थ बिकॉज मुझे बचपन से एक प्रिजुडिस क्या डालने की कोशिश किया था, नॉनवेज खाने वाले पापी होते हैं. आई गेस नॉनवेज में भी यू विल फाइंड गाय का खाना गलत है, या मतलब पोर्क खाना गलत है. अगेन यू विल फाइंड डिफरेंट ये. या मुझे और एक स्टूपिड बात क्या कही थी, रिलीजन इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ, कि दुनिया में सबसे सर्वश्रेष्ठ धर्म कौन सा है, तो जैन धर्म है. और दुनिया का भला करना है तो जैन बना दो. एंड मोर और लेस एवरी रिलीजन टॉक्स द सेम. So that is how ये then you will find कि मरने के बाद जो जलाते हैं वो कुछ इसमें गाड़ते हैं. और पारसी लोग क्या करते हैं, फील टू वर्चर्स. वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड सेड, क्या कमीने है. सो हिज प्रेजुडिस कि मैं जो करता हूं वो सही है. सो दैट बिलीफ इज सो स्ट्रांग.
Many Parsis are now the last cremation now.
But they say
Nowadays.
last act of charity.
Yeah, let's talk after. But what I'm saying, the subject is prejudice. But in
Not only the Parsis, even in Tibet, the Buddhist over there,
yes,
because you can't bury the body, there's no food to burn, so they keep them for vultures to eat.
okay. So
It is because of the
situation, yeah. But the important is what he said. In my culture, there are certain positive and negative traits are there. Marriage and taboos and sexual taboos, So you will find in my culture there are some positive and negative. In other culture also there are some positive and negative. But when I am under the prejudice, what I tell myself, mine is right, and I ignore what is negative, and I also ignore what is positive in other culture. But when my mind is open, that time I can see what is positive in my culture, what are my developmental areas in my culture, and what is positive in other culture. So you will find Valentine Day, उसको जो विरोध करते हैं, that is again मतलब कल्चर के कुछ ठेकेदार होते हैं इंडिया में, दे उसके कारण प्रॉब्लम होता है. So yes, next प्रज्ञा.
Religious prejudice creation of Pakistan was because of the religious differences. In religious prejudice, individuals force positive attitude towards his own religion and unfavorable attitude towards the other religion.
Some Jains are not selling flats for non-veg eaters. That is वो काफी बार होता है. Yeah, no Muslims are allowed. Again, in some societies. Yeah, that is also a part of, that's a religious prejudice, isn't it? Manifestation of prejudice, there are 5 ways ये manifestation होता है. Manifestation, withdrawal.
It means moving from object of prejudice. Example, a person is prejudiced against Jews, goes to a party and finds that some Jews are invited. He decides to move away from that party.
Right?
Because he believes,
Why?
because the prejudice. Example, that's it.
How will you know कि ये Jew है कि कौन है? मालूम पड़ गया तो.
Yes.
Very fine.
Yeah. So withdrawal. In one example which I have seen, एक गांव में सारे लोगों को पार्टी आयोजित की थी, मतलब बुलाया पूरे गांव को खाना, and that person was belong to Buddhist community. तो गांव में के ब्राह्मण कहने लग गए, we will not come. So that is a withdrawal. You will not come because you are Buddhist and हम लोग श्रेष्ठ है. That is, that is a prejudice again. That is a prejudice. How it is manifestation. This is how it is manifested, isn't it? Then, second.
Avoidance, keeping away from the social situation where the object of prejudice may be present. Example, the person who is prejudiced against Jews comes to know beforehand that some of the invitees at the party will be Jews.
तो वो जाएगा ही नहीं.
हो जाएगा ही.
Yeah. He meant, so वो avoid करेगा. Then next, discrimination.
It involves biased behavior against Example, a teacher who is a prejudiced against a particular community may fail students or may select these students for school team. Although
May not select, yeah.
Yeah, may not select. Students in the question deserve and merit selection against all the
Criteria. Even though they deserve, they will not because the prejudice.
Okay. So here it is. It involves behavior aimed at causing physical hurt or injury to the object person of prejudice. Example, the teacher in previous example may go to physical punishment to students of a particular community without any reasonable ground. Okay.
जैसा ये और एक इसमें दादरी में जो हुआ था, या खैरलांजी में, या भिवंडी में 2 पुलिस वालों को मॉब ने मार डाला था. यू नो दैट इज कॉल्ड ईचिंग. ये काफी जगह पे होता है इंडिया में आज भी. एक्सटर्मिशन.
It is an extreme form of manifestation of prejudice. It is aimed at removing the existence of the object person of a prejudice. Example, in the Second World War, millions of Jews were massacred at the orders of
Massacred,
Hitler.
yeah.
Okay. Then Hitler believed himself to be an Aryan and the aim to cleanse the Germany and a non-Aryan.
So, what is discrimination?
So discrimination is the differential treatment of individuals belonging to a particular social group of community or religion. It is generally the overt or behavioral expression of prejudice. And generally the person discriminated is denied some privilege or right that is accorded to other members of society who do not belong to the minority.
एक गांव में ऐसा हुआ कि जनरल सब पब्लिक को बुलाया था खाना खाने, बट जो लोअर कास्ट सो कॉल्ड इंडिया में कहते हैं, तो उनको वो अलग लाइन था और बाकी सबको. रिसेंट मतलब ये कुछ साल पहले की बात है. सो दैट इज, यू नो, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. अभी भी चलता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. और women are not allowed to go in temple, in some temples. That is again discrimination. Development and maintenance of prejudice. So there are various ways we develop and maintain. Yeah.
Status and power structure. Example, group which controls slaves believes that slaves are lazy, irresponsible and lacking an initiative. These beliefs emerge from the fact that slaves act upon orders from their masters and not given an opportunity to demonstrate initiative or responsibility.
So they believe that, you know, वो opportunity नहीं देते because of power, and they believe they are lazy and they control. Historical fact.
Historical facts. Women have always been considered weak, dependent and tools such as prejudice developed out of atrocities perpetrated over women, and they kept tolerating them, thinking it to be their duty.
Yeah.
Some professions thought to be fit for men. Example, taxi or auto driving has never been considered fit for women. Women in this profession and other such professions are looked down upon.
Yeah, if they are doing it, but that is again, yeah.
Situational factors, social learning. In socialization process, individual learners and acquire beliefs, values and attitudes from parents, school and religion and church.
So that's how they develop. Job competition.
Scarcity of jobs and many applicants, it led to the emergence of
Son of soil. भूमि पुत्र को जॉब मिलना चाहिए. So मुंबई में साउथ इंडियन और नॉर्थ इंडियन के कारण जो ये हुआ था, जो लॉस ऑफ जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, that is the prejudice. Yes.
Conformity to norms. If prejudice and discrimination against other group is the norm, then overt expression will receive approval from other members of
Group.
psychodynamic factors, frustration and aggression. When individual finds some obstacle between him and his goal, he gets frustrated and becomes aggressive. Obstacle is stronger and has the power to punish him, so his frustration and aggression is displaced towards some
Weaker object. The weak person or group becomes scapegoat. So that's how the prejudice. Authoritarian personality also, you know, one of the reason how this discrimination is developed. Yeah.
People with authoritarian personality exhibit rigid thinking and punitive tendency. Authoritarian people value people on the scale power. People above them in the power scale are attributed all good characteristics, and people below them on power scale are treated as inferior and deserve to be exploited and hated.
Now what we will do, we will talk about methods of reducing, and then we will stop here. What are the different methods? These are 6 methods to minimize the prejudice. Intergroup contact. So that's why, you know, roti or beti, that means intercaste marriages. Government also 50,000 रुपए देता है, कुछ बर्तन देता है अगर इंटरकास्ट मैरिज करते हो. The aim is to minimize the prejudice and can you read?
Intergroup contact in between prejudiced person and the target person. This provides the two parties an opportunity to know and understand each other to reducing misunderstanding and misconception. Intergroup contact is an effective method when both the parties have equal status. Intimate and honest contact is important. Success of both parties is dependent on each other, that is common goal.
नहीं तो मैंने देखा है कि ये इक्वल स्टेटस नहीं रहेगा ना तो इंटरकास्ट मैरिज होके भी वो बायस नहीं जाता है. सो बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द वे कि वो इंटर ग्रुप अगर ये आएगा तो देन इट कैन बी मिनिमाइज्ड. एजुकेशन,
Both informal and formal education, parents education for children, example black and white children.
या आई विल गिव यू द एग्जांपल. एक ऐसा हुआ था कि ब्लैक एंड वाइट चिल्ड्रन वे आर प्लेइंग टुगेदर. पेरेंट्स वर अनअवेयर. व्हेन द पेरेंट्स ऑफ वाइट चिल्ड्रन दे वर अवेयर कि दे आर प्लेइंग टुगेदर, उन्होंने अपने बच्चों को बोला कि डोंट प्ले विद देम, दे आर नॉट गुड बिकॉज दे आर ब्लैक. सो दे स्टॉप प्लेइंग with them. So that is how that can happen. Then
Designing syllabus and curriculum to promote harmony. It should aim at developing healthy minds. It has been found that higher and better formal education leads to decreased prejudice and increased liberalism.
yeah, this is cultural.
Cultural assimilator. In this method, a group of prejudiced person is explained about traditions, norms, beliefs and value system of people of other communities and races so that they can appreciate those communities and races in the light of recent information.
I have already talked about ethnocentrism. Yeah.
Anti-prejudice propaganda using mass media, films and documentaries. In one study, it was found that films and documentaries aimed at reducing prejudice have been successful in reducing prejudice up to 60%. Some other psychologists have reported anti-prejudice propaganda to be more effective than formal education.
Yeah. ये मैं आपको लास्ट में दिखाऊंगा जो अगला है and then we will end but we will complete this.
Incongruent role, person is made to play a role contrary to his prejudice. It happens because playing such role creates a dissonance and this dissonance gives rise to a tension compelling the individual to change his prejudice.
Dissonance means जो मैं बिलीव करता हूँ और जो एक्ट करता हूँ उसमें उल्टा है. तो क्या होता है कि when that role is given then आपको prejudice चेंज करना पड़ता है. एग्जाम्पल,
If a person prejudiced against a particular community is assigned the task of welfare of the community, the person has no alternative but to change his
prejudice. Social legislation.
Different countries have made several legislations which prohibit expression of prejudice. Any public manifestation of prejudice is unlawful and liable to punishment. Okay. Our constitution states that state shall not make any discrimination on the basis of caste, creed, sex and religion of the individual and no person shall be allowed to do so. Government encourages intercaste marriages, ₹15,000 incentive to some agencies, reservation in jobs and atrocity
act जो आया है.
Personality change techniques. Balance personality and open-mindedness. If prejudice is an integral part of personality, then take therapeutic treatment
and psychotherapy.
Example, play therapy is an important tool for detecting prejudice
in children. So I will show you one last slide and then we will stop. क्या करने आए थे और क्या कर बैठे. कहीं मंदिर बना बैठे, कहीं मस्जिद बना बैठे. हमसे तो परिंदा अच्छा, कभी मंदिर पे जा बैठा, कभी मस्जिद पे जा बैठा. थैंक यू. हाँ, या बर्ड. या कबूतर.